Hello Wranglers, today I will go over the DotPlot review. It's not a quiz. Okay, so let's take a look on the DotPlot that you see on the right side, and you're gonna use that DotPlot to answer question 1 to question 6. And the DotPlot tell you the height of the plant in Dorothy Garden. Some of the plant is 12 centimeter, some are 13, some are 14, some are 15, and some is 20. All right, number 1, you are looking for the range of the plant height. So the range will be, you take the highest value and subtract it to the lowest value. So the highest value is 20, the lowest value is 12. So the range will be 8 centimeter. Number 2, what is the mean for Dorothy plant height? The mean is the average. So you add all of them and divide to how many they are. So let's add them up. So we have 12. There is 2 number 13. So we have 26 for this. 14 times 3. There's 3 of them. So it will be 42. 15, there are 3 of them, will be 45. There are 2 number 16, so it will be 32. And that 20. We're gonna divide to how many they are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will be divided by 12. There's 12 plants in her garden. Okay, so I'm gonna add these number up. Two plus 6 is 8, 10, 15, 17. 1, 2, 4, 8, 12, 15, 17. And I take 177, I divide it by 12, get the 12 plane. So 12 going to 17 one time. 1 times 12 is 12. 17 minus 12 will get me a 5. Drop down to 7, 57. 12 going to 57 4 times. 4 times 12 is 48. 57 minus 48 will get me a 9. Borrow a 0, return a decimal point. 90 divided by 12. I got 7. Okay, 7 times 12 is 84. 90 minus 80, 46. Okay, 12 going to 65 times. So 16 minus 60 is 0. Now because talking about the height, so you can round it, or you can leave this answer in centimeter, or if they ask you to round it, you round it, but because it's the height, so we can have a decimal. So it's the average is 14 and 7500 centimeter. What is the median? Median means the middle number. Okay, so let's find the middle number. I like to cross out the highest and lowest until I find the middle number. I'm gonna do that. So I have 2 median, the 14 and the 15. So I have to find the average of those 2 numbers. So average means I'm gonna add 14 and 15 and half of that. 29 So half of the 29 will be 14.5. Okay, next one is what is the mode for the height. Mode is the one that repeating the most often. So we have 14 and 15 repeated 3 times. So the mode will be 14 and 15. It's okay to have 2 modes and you don't need to find the average of those 2. Are there any outlier? Outlier is the number far away from the data set. So we have 20 is the number by itself. So it's the outlier. Describe the data based on the dot plot. So normal bell curve, by the way, this means symmetrical. Are they symmetrical or are they skewed left or are they skewed right? Let me erase and take a look on my. So for me, this will be kind of look very evenly. So I would call symmetrical. Yeah. Number 7, graph the following information on the dot plot. Annie took a poll of her class to see how many pets they own. Here are the results. So we have kids that reply to how many pets they have. And I'm gonna put it on the number line. So we have the lowest number I see is 0. Some of the kids have 1 pet, 2 pet, 3 pet. Oh, Nate have 6 pet and Tucker have 8 pet. So I would have my number line up to 8. All right, Annie is 1, Jane is 3, Ellie is 1, Noah is 0, Tucker have 8, Caleb is 2, Nate got 6, Owen got 0, as well as Lizzie that have no pet. All right, describe the data based on the dot plot. So we have the mode at 0. And from that mode, you will see it's reducing to the right side, right? So it's skewed to the right. What is the range from any data? So the maximum point is 8. The minimum point is 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. So the range is 8 pet. The mode for any data is 0 pet.